Just open your browser or Chrome and type in Panda Helper. After that, you need to download the app of Panda Helper. Just click on the Panda Helper I am showing you. Now, if you have iOS device or you are using a Apple, just click on the download for iPhone. I will click on Android because I have an Android one. So simply click on that. After that, you need to download the app. So click on the APK. My app is downloading. You can see. Just simply install this app. So now it's done. Now just you need to follow these steps. Open your Panda Helper app in your iOS device. Just follow these steps, guys. After it, you should open now this app. Don't worry about the multiple results as you can see on my screen, and just check on the latest version. As you can see, there is 2 Fortnite games and one of them are Fortnite installer. So I'm just checking the latest version or closer to the latest version. You should do that and don't worry about the version, as you can update the Fortnite game from the app later. I think in iOS system, you just need to go to the settings of your iOS and you just need to give permission in your settings for installing from Panda Helper. So Android is different and iOS different. Keep that in mind and do it from your iOS settings. this is it, guys. You can easily download this Fortnite game on your iOS device following these Android tips or Android steps. And I think this video was helpful for you. A thumbs up would be appreciable. And for more videos, just press the bell icon. And if you didn't subscribe yet, subscribe to the Lazy Gamer and be in our family. Till then, it's a bye bye.